Hexan.
Good morning. Say good morning.
Say good morning.
Hi guys, thank you. Today is Sunday. We're going to Asian shop in Carrickmacross. For those who subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. Thank you, say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And if you're new, I am from Cebu. I'm Cebuana Maris, who live in Ireland. Filipina Life in Ireland. You know, Filipina Life in Ireland. We need to go to Asian shop to buy some Filipino food. So see you later. Let's go quick. Let's go to the car. Good boy. Let's go to the car. Play park. Yeah, play park for Shishi. We're on the road now, guys. See. Dogs. Quiet lang dito pag Sunday, guys. Yeah? Every Sunday is quiet?
Very quiet on Sunday, yeah.
Punta naman na tayo dito sa filling station, guys. Bibili tayo ng gasolina.
Apple green.
Apple green. Okay. Hi guys. Papunta na tayo sa Carrickmacross kung saan ang Asian shop. See you later, Marie. Yan guys, malaki siyang cathedral. Oh, yun yung cathedral dito sa Ireland. Malaki siya, guys. Malaki siya, guys. Ay, sorry. Ayan siya, guys. Oh. Busy ngayon yung karsada kasi ano, maraming nagsisimba.
Shrine.
Shrine. Mama Mary. Okay guys, see you there. Hi guys, nandito na tayo sa Carrickmacross. Welcome to Carrickmacross. Pasok na tayo sa Carrickmacross, guys. Ito yung Carrickmacross. To my friends in Carrickmacross, hello. Hindi ko kayo mabibisita. Bibili lang kami ngayon dito sa Asian shop. Maliit na hotel.
Shirley Arms.
Shirley Arms.
Very famous hotel in Carrickmacross.
Shirley Arms.
Super value.
Super value. This is a busy town actually. Yeah?
Yeah, very busy, and there's a market here. I think there should have been a market here today, or maybe yesterday. Saturday there's a market here. Park there.
Supermarket, Jollibee. It's over there. Asian shop, we're coming.
This is Marie's Asian shop, yeah?
Yeah, Marie. Pamilya Pilipinas, we're coming.
Our shop was only opened lately, yeah?
Yeah. Just lately.
A few months ago.
Yeah.
Here we go.
There we go. Pamilya Pilipinas. Yay! Asian goods. Papasok na tayo. Hello! Ito na yung Pamilya Pilipinas. Wala si Marie ngayon dito, guys. I don't know where. Gagawa tayo ng bilog-bilog. Hello! 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 Nasaan si Marie?
Ay, nasa bahay pa.
Oh.
Kasi kasama niya yung mga bata.
My God, gagawa sana ako ng pamilya Pilipinas. Agree tayo ng kamote guys para sa ating bilo-bilo. Magbilo-bilo tayo guys. Hindi ko alam kung dalawa lang bibili natin. So, tatlo. Yan din siya ng rice ito guys. Ito na yung binibili ko. Side cakes. Fruit. At saka May tayo bibigyan na ito. Mga noodles. Walang mangga dito guys. Bagong open lang nga si Mari guys. Pamilya Pilipinas. Okay, babayad na tayo. Okay. What are you doing, Hickson? Okay, no. Come on, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, go. No, we're not going there. We're going
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
See you. See you again.
Bye-bye. See you, bye-bye. Yeah, we're going the car. See you, Pamilya Filipinas. Marie. Bye-bye. Okay. Go to the car. Sit. Go sit. Sit. Hi guys, tapos na kami doon sa Asian shop. Pauwi na kami guys. Bumili ako ng piatos. Marie, sayang wala ka doon. Yung hubby mo lang. Siguro siya yung si hubby mo, Marie. Next time, Marie. See you, Marie. Maraming salamat, Pamilya Pilipinas. Bye-bye. Hi guys, kumakain kami ngayon ng piatos. Piatos, paborito ng bayan.
Yum, yum.
Big boss. See you in town guys. Bye-bye. Hi guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Monahan. Pupunta kami sa mother of my love. Kakain kami doon guys, pero hindi ko iba-vlog kasi more privacy muna yung parent, yung mother niya. So doon kami dinner with my man.
Soup today. Homemade soup for my mom.
Yeah. And baby Hickson. Say hi. So see you there guys later. See you later. Hi guys. guys. Sa labasan tayo. Papunta na tayo sa mama ni Marla. Ito yung lake na sinasabi ko sa inyo. St. Peter's Lake. May lake dyan guys. Kita nyo? Wow. Maraming sasakyan dito guys. Yung bahay ng kanyang sorry guys. Yung bahay ng mother ng boyfriend ko is doon lang siya guys. On the way over there, somewhere there. So, see you in a while guys. Kakain muna kami doon guys. We are invited. See you. Diesel. Ang shop dun guys. Hindi sila nag-sale. Shishi. See you. Bye-bye. Hi guys, tapos na kaming bumisita sa mami ni my love. Seryoso na mag-drive, diba? Ayan, busog na kami guys. Masarap yung soup. You like the soup?
Oh my god, very nice soup.
Yeah.
Can't beat your mommy's soup.
Irish soup ang tawag nun guys. Irish soup. Yeah. So, pupunta kami. Mag-grocery kami guys.
Don't forget
And
the ice cream.
of course, mayroong ice cream. Oh. Mag-grocery kami guys. So, see you in the grocery. Pasok na tayo sa grocery guys. Mag-grocery na tayo dito. Walking. Stop burning my camera. I can see her now.
Huh?
I can see her. Yeah. Hi guys. Dito na tayo. What are you gonna get? Oh yeah, bananas. Bananas. Boy, that's not the right one, baby. Did you get the without the plastic?
I will do that if you get them ready.
Cereal. We need the cereal. Cereal, guys. Mura lang dito, guys. 1 euro. Walang 500 dito, guys. Or 100. What else do you need?
The eggs,
Yeah, eggs. We have lots of bread. No, don't touch. The baby, oh. Ay, hindi na namin kailangan ng basket, guys. You need to check the... You go for the 20.
Made for 2 right? 25.
This is the one of Christina something. Sausage nila, guys, oh. I know, I can see. This child is getting crazy here. Hoy! I'm gonna get some. Tignan natin kung meron na silang pork mince. Konti lang. October 6 lahat to, guys. Madaling ma-expire dito. Ay, yogurt. Bibili natin ng si baby ng yogurt. Where are you going? Gonna get him yogurt. Raspberry and banana. Strawberry and banana. Let's go. Do you need bags? Bili tayo ng rice, guys. Rice. Ito yung rice nila. Rice. Oh! Ito yung rice. Is there enough room? Lechon, come on here on the other side, baby. Hold mommy, baby. Check natin yung waterproof na trousers ni baby. Oh, you hold mommy. Come on. Over here. Tingin-tingin lang tayo, guys. Walang masyadong ganap. Guys, nandito yung friend ko, si Mary Ann. Hello! Nag-ano din siya, nagsha-shopping.
Shopping, nag-chocolate.
Wow, my God!
It says until, what's this? The offer last?
Nakita mo
Or
ba yung
stocks
ano?
last?
Yung bun? Butter
Oh,
bun?
yeah, I did. Palit ko ganina.
Sige, sige.
Hi, Hickson.
Grocery.
Cute pa na niya.
Hi guys, tapos na kaming mag-grocery. Mapunta na kaming bahay. We're going home.
Home sweet home.
Home sweet home. Yes, baby. Why is your light on? Hey guys, dito na kami sa bahay. Ito yung mga groceries namin, guys. Ang dami nating i-arrange ngayon. Ito, snacks ni baby for school. Ito, disinfection for the floor. Put that away. Snacks, dog food, tissue, cereal, ganyan. Ito yung binili ko sa Asian shop, guys. Ito yung patis. Skyflex. Gusto ko to, guys. I like the Skyflex. And maybe I can put you here somewhere. So that... Ito na yung binili namin, guys. Again, tissue. Kailangan natin ng tissue sa kitchen. And ito, nakita niya na ito. Cat food. Rice. Kailangan natin ng rice, guys. Filipina needs rice. What's this? Cereal. Bumili kami ng cereal, guys. Ito, cereal. Gusto namin to, guys. Corn flakes with peanut and honey. Yum, yum. Gusto namin to, guys. Tsaka, itlog. Kailangan natin ng itlog, guys. Itlog. Para malakas. Siyempre, beans for breakfast. Meron kaming beans, guys. Arrange na natin to, guys. Ito, crackers for baby. At saka ito for baby. Baon niya sa school. Money? What are you looking for? Patis? Sa dapat sa fridge, ilagay na natin sa fridge. Orange, some carrots, banana, guys. Filipino banana. So guys, kailangan natin siya ilagay sa fridge. So, sa Asian shop, bumili ako ng spring roll wrapper. So, gagawa ako ng lumpia. Siguro, bukas or sa makalawa. Maliit lang siya, guys. Marie, maraming salamat, Marie, sa Asian shop. So, lagyan na natin siya sa fridge, guys. Ito guys, para to sa ano, bilo-bilo. Gagawa ko ng bilo-bilo. Lalagyan ko ng jackfruit, banana. Meron tayong kamote. Kamote. Glutinous flour. Gagawa ako ng bilo-bilo guys. So, yan lang so far. Nabili namin. Mga plastic guys. Gamit din to for kung mayroon tayong paglalagyan. Skyflex. Gusto ko siya guys kasi mayroon siyang favorite na chocolate siya guys. Kaya gusto ko siya. So, ayan guys. Nakita niyo na lahat na binili ko sa Asian shop. From Marie. Thank you so much, Marie. Ayan na. Ayan guys, tatapusin ko na ang aking vlog. Maraming salamat sa panunood. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking video today. Yan lang ang gawa namin guys. Walang masyadong ganap. Today is Sunday. Walang ganap masyado. So, sa lahat ng mga nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At kung ikaw ay hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I will see you all next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come on. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. See you all next time. Come on, Daddy.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you.
See you.
Hi, guys. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.